Hi, I'm Janine Sarna-Jones, and I am on site today on a project helping a widow uh, clean out her house up in the country. So you're not seeing me in my usual spot. But I wanted to share some exciting news with you. I'm so excited about this. I received my senior move management certification last night. So now I have more letters to put after my name. And I'm super proud that I was able to finally get everything together and into them so that I could show you how experienced I am and that we can really help people who are making a move. And I don't just work with seniors, but I work with people of all ages who are trying to transition. Um, the other news, let's see, I wanted to kind of share something with you that I've kind of gotten out of this experience of helping this widow. Um, there's something about grief that I think most people get uncomfortable when someone is going through the grieving process. And I'm working with a widow who just lost her husband last month. And she has been a dear friend for many years, and now she's a client. And there are two things I want to tell you about grief. When you are going through it, you have to actually go through it. And you need to give yourself the time to do it. And there's no time limit on it. And I really do believe that when you are somebody, the second thing I want to tell you is when you are somebody who is watching someone go through grief, that you need to give them the space to grieve. It's not, you know, it's one of those situations where we can be working together and trying to move forward to the future, but we also have to go through the present and however that client is feeling. So I want to let you know that one of the things that this is a very impromptu video for me, but because I am in the middle of things and I have to go and deal with some stuff, but I really wanted you to know that we can really support you. If you're going through a transition that's hard and difficult to take and you can't see a way out, we can definitely guide you through the process. So if you know anyone who is going through a grieving process and they need help with the stuff that's associated with the death of a loved one, we would really love to help that person. We are there, we give them space to grieve. We also encourage them to move forward, and we do not push them to do things that they're uncomfortable with. So please let me know if there's somebody that I can help that you know. I truly do want to help them through the grieving process.